Hello and welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation Built in Public. Today I'm going to review a very good example of relating to business, small business such as massage parlor or massage spa companies. And I came across this very nice video, and I want to analyze it and review a few things so that it gives you some business ideas on how to promote your own business, whether it's in the wellness industry or not. Taking this example would probably give you some excellent ideas how to apply it for your own. So I was logged on one of my customers' accounts. So just a parenthesis here, I specialized in automation on Nextdoor, so we help businesses to develop the local presence on Nextdoor in order to get more leads on every day and plan publications so they get more visibility. We have specific strategies on how to implement that. You can review the other videos that I've made prior to this one on the channel, and let's dive in right away. So I came across this very nice, looks almost professional video, but it has been done with an iPhone, so you could do exactly the same. The gentleman here messaging has selected a very nice body. Obviously not everyone has the same, so it looks even better, but that's not the point. The point is, so it's in French, I will translate it for you. This is a typical type of videos that you should be doing if you have a massage parlor. Not doing always the same video, make change, do not always have the same angle to your videos, but this one is very good because basically it's very interesting. We show the message in action. We have a nice body. We can obviously, this one would be probably more towards women and probably appealing for women more, and gives maybe people wants to have this type of massage. But the message here, the marketing message, is a bit specific. So this gentleman is asking, actually he's looking for a model to make a drainage massage, lymph massage drainage in the 13th district south of Paris. That's what we call Chinatown in Paris, if you're familiar with the 13 districts. And he is asking for candidates. So he say, if you're interested, send me a message. So that's very good. And not to a surprise, it's kind of freebie, because if you accept to be a model, then you also get a free massage. So massage looks good. If you are not concerned into becoming a model, you should probably respond to that. And I went, as soon as I saw this message, this publication, I went to see the profile of the gentleman who did it. Unfortunately, he has not put a banner yet. He has put his picture, which is good. We can see who is talking. He's missing a bio and more information about him. Maybe we'll update that very soon. He belongs to one group, which is, as I say, thematized group, or thematized, probably not a proper word in English, but hopefully you understand. It's a focus group with a specific topical group, maybe should I say that, with a large audience, very well. And I already uncover all the comments, but you see that's these only post. So on the first post, he got already 26 likes and love responses. Yeah, that's the details, and he has 47 comments, and that's all good. That's a very good statistics for a post. And yeah, people say, yeah, I'm interested, please call me at that number, and so on, and how to call you. Some people don't understand. He already said, he didn't make complicated message, he said just message me. And this, as usual, you have commenters, people don't read your post, and basically don't understand that they have to message him. But the problem here, in brackets, is when he posted that message, there's no way to message him. So that's a small comment I would have to make, is that I would have if I were him, I would have added a WhatsApp link so that people would be able in that message to already contact him, because when he's suggesting to send him a message, when people are on the timeline, it's more complicated. They have to press on his photo or name and be redirected here. It's only here that they can send the message. So when you're posting, making publication on Nextdoor, you always have to think, either add your email or a link to your profile, but the best would be to put an email, a phone number, and or a WhatsApp link. So pretty efficient for his first post. He got a lot of engagement. That's very nice. And I want to develop a little bit more on maybe you're a small business owner, you don't have time to do that. So my company is helping you to automate and plan in the future. And most of the time people lack consistency, and to be successful on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or all the others, TikTok, Twitter, X, you have to be consistent. You have to be seen every day. And in Nextdoor, it's particularly also a problem if you make a post. This one was quite successful, but if somebody logs in and let's say the Nextdoor program does not push this message anymore, or does not have any feedback or reaction, then this post will disappear below new messages. That's the rule of social media, and basically will be put in history and will not be seen anymore. So you have to be consistent, publish regularly. My advice is always to create your own group, and this one is a generic slimming massage group. And obviously he was absolutely right to post this in this group, but it's not his own group. So let's see whoever else posted in this group. And not to my surprise, because I know that already, people tend to post out of theme. In French we say hors sujet. Excuse me, I'm French and sometimes my English is not always as fluent as I would like. So it's out of topic. So this one is offering renovation. This one is also oh no, this one is in topic. That's no problem. This one is offering bathroom renovation. This one is selling sneakers. This one is selling beauty products. This one is painting. So you get it. It's full of junk because it's not your own group. So my advice, if you're still watching this video, create your own group. And if I were this guy, I would create my group, and I would call it drainage massage, or best massage spa in Paris, in parentheses 13th Street, because that's where he is, 13e arrondissement. And I would post there, and anybody seeing my post who is interested in massage will join that group, and I would be able then to message them as a welcome message, as I always say, and send them a kind of promo code, if that's my policy, to get them to join my services. So he did a good job in joining this one. The next level action would be to have his own group and manage it. Of course, he would still leave the group open, still have people posting shit in his online property, if I would say, but he would have to delete them, let's say once a week, to clear the messages. I would also add a professional account on the pages, pro pages on Nextdoor, and gather recommendations and testimonies from customers, and that's the best way to go. And the next point I want to highlight, as I said, people lack of consistency in publication, but also lack of ideas. So this is one idea. You don't want, that's a great idea, but you don't want to make everyday video messages. You have to bring different messages, different marketing materials, so you can change. The next day you can make pictures or text and change your messages. So Nextdoor offers to make advertisement. You can also make advertisement, but you can do your own free advertisement online. My recommendation, when you are promoting your group, you post 5 to 7 times a week, but make only one commercial message a week. So once the rest of the time, so 1 out of 5 times or 1 out of 7 times, even better, because people connect on weekends probably more, is to make your commercial publication. And when you lack the consistency is also the reason why also you lack consistency. Sometimes you lack ideas. So I'll show you a interesting trick. You know, ChatGPT and all these AI services that you can use. You can pay for them. You can use their free access also. And for example, you can connect to a program, online website that is called Claude.Ai. Claude.Ai, you can connect easily with your Google profile, and you got something like 3 or 4 free requests a day. So that's more than enough to get you started. And here, for example, I ask, can you give me a list of unknown benefits of massage therapy? That was my idea. I'm now the owner of this massage spa, and I'm lacking ideas of what to say. And the AI gave me a list of ideas. Here is a list of some lesser known potential benefits of massage therapy. So I could use these 15 bullet points, and I don't want probably to use all of them at once, but if I divide them in 3, that will give me 5 potential posts where I could use this message and say 5 unknown potential benefits from massage therapy, and I could recycle them in several angles. So I could make text only, I could do text and image, and I could also make videos. And when I set videos, I got an example here. I'm just like you, I'm lacking ideas, and I basically went to YouTube and I search massage benefits in short. So short videos, you know, on YouTube are not very long. You don't want to make very long videos on Nextdoor. So this gives you some great ideas of what you could do. You can copy the structure and the ideas. You have banks of free videos. It's always better if you have your own videos, and there you go. So another question I asked this free AI called Claude.Ai, and I say, can you suggest me a yearly calendar of 360 content ideas to help me build a yearly calendar of 30-second video publications for the online marketing campaign for my massage spa company? And then I got the answers. So weekly themes for 52 weeks. For example, you don't have to follow it by the letter, but that's helping you tremendously. So they would say massage Monday, technique Tuesday, wellness Wednesday, therapy Thursday, feel good Friday, self-care Saturday, and stress-free Sunday. So that gives you some potential structure and regularity that will help you be consistent. So further, it gave some monthly focus area for over 12 months. So this weekly theme could be then break down over 12 months. So for the month of January, this is New Year, New You. February is Love Your Body. Remember, you have all the also all the ideas that are according to the calendar that happens every year, like Valentine's Day. Here is a great idea to offer to your loved one, a 3-hour message for your counterpart, gift ideas for your Valentine celebration. So spring renewal, April awareness. So I would not say all of them. So gives you ideas. You have Mother's Day, Father's Day, you have April Fools, make some funny jokes, and so on and so on. So here are some specific video ideas to get you started. So New Year's resolution, prioritize self-care, and so on and so on. February. So it stops at March, but you could ask, please go for more months, and that's it. So that's what I was trying to review today. Hope this video was helpful for you, whether you are in the massage industry or not. Please excuse my French. I can't always find the proper words. Hope it was interesting for you. If you have any questions or if you need assistance, give me write your comments below. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. Give it a like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video reviews like this. I've noticed. So I've been posting for the past 30 days, and the start is always complicated, but I've noticed when I analyze business, there's a little bit more engagement, or not engagement, but at least views. So if you want to support my my channel and you want to give me a friendly support, give me a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Take care. Bye bye.